Good evening, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office. It is Sunday night. This is the Sunday evening briefing, kind of getting you ready for what's in store for this week ahead weather-wise. A nice weekend we had. Sacramento hit 73 on Saturday, 70 today. As a matter of fact, Sacramento, Stockton, and Modesto all hit 70 today. And even in the Sierra, it was a pretty mild day with temperatures in the low 50s. But the next 3 or 4 days are going to be colder. We may not be seeing valley temperatures up around 70 degrees again until Friday, and right now the weekend is looking pretty good. As a matter of fact, let me just kind of give you the highlights of what we were expecting this week, I should say. We are going to see some Sierra snow, likely on Monday night and into Tuesday morning. If we're going to have chain controls, it looks like it would be on Tuesday morning and maybe through the middle part of the day. Maybe something like 4 to 6 inches of snow on the summit, something like that. And then behind that, there will be a lot of cold air. So valley temperatures may be in the upper 30s first thing Wednesday morning. And for those of you in the foothills that have started your garden, I think Wednesday morning we could have some frost in a lot of foothill locations, even down to 1,500 feet. So if you did maybe start your garden this weekend, maybe put some tender seedlings out, that sort of thing, you may want to protect those on Wednesday. But after that, things are going to start to warm up, and it looks like the weekend will be sunny and nice, maybe even warmer than what we saw this past weekend. Let me show you the big picture here. 500 millibar chart. This kind of gives you an idea of the way things evolve or going to evolve over the next 7 days or so. So what we have right now is this approaching trough that helped to usher in some of the slightly cooler air during the day today. During the day tomorrow, that digs in a little bit more, but it's really on Monday night and Tuesday that the best part of this trough goes by to bring us a chance of some showers in the valley. Best chance of rain, I'll show you this in a second, is going to be from Sacramento to the north, and it looks like it's going to be very light. The biggest impact from this is going to be the snow we're going to see, and that's going to be, let's say, Highway 50 to the north. I don't think we'll see any precipitation down in Calaveras and Tuolumne County and points south. Again, I'll show you some of that here in just a second. This is also the colder air that just kind of sinks in. This is Tuesday night, and then this is Wednesday morning. The trough begins to leave on Wednesday, but you always get the coldest air in the wake of the cold front. So, in other words, you get the rain, you get the snow, and then everything settles down and the cold air remains. So the clear and cold night would be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll likely start to see a bit of a warming trend, but a very subtle one on Wednesday and Thursday. But then as we get into next weekend, this is Friday and then this is Saturday, while that's not the strongest ridge, that would be probably a good enough ridge to get our temperatures back up to around maybe 75. And it looks as though if this long term is correct, this is a week from Monday, so this is on the 24th, that maybe we might settle into one of these long-term dry warming patterns. So it looks as though, again, if this is right, that we may get past, if we can get past this week, we may be past the coldest of the weather. And for those of you that are worried about further frost, it looks like maybe Wednesday may be the last time we have to worry about that. Keep your fingers crossed. All right, let me show you what the North American model shows in terms of getting into the rain. This is Monday. This is Monday afternoon, and you can see where the rain is. North of Reading, some snow up here, but this is, nothing farther south, nothing south of Reading. Then this is late night. This is Tuesday morning. There's our best chance of some rain, some very light rain going through, but there's your snow. Snow level probably in the range of 4,000 feet. But at 4,000 feet, you might get an inch of snow. The best accumulating snow is going to be above 5,000 feet. Let's get into Tuesday afternoon. This is Tuesday afternoon at around 1 o'clock, and then this is into the afternoon. And as you can see, everything has dried out. And beyond that, everything stays to the north, and the cold air remains. So any further chances of rain will be well off to the north, and then that ridge builds in, and we should see warming as we head toward the end of the week. So let's talk about the how much snow we might see, and I'll show you the HRRR model here, and this is going to show you total snow accumulation as we go through. This is Tuesday at 7 a.m., and here on the summit, as I scroll over this, you can see it's picking up about 4 to 6 inches, and you can also see that, here's El Dorado County, here's Calaveras County, here's Tuolumne County. There may be some light snow on the highest summits of Tuolumne County. So when I say 4,000 feet, I don't think that those of you in Arnold or Twain Harte or Pioneer are going to see any of this. I think this 4,000 foot snow is going to be north of Interstate 80. And then that's it for the snow. And that's it for the rain as well. So as you can see, there really isn't much going on behind that. So all in all, it looks as though it's going to be a dry week for most areas. The best chance of any rain is going to be first thing Tuesday morning, but most areas are going to miss that. Two concerns this week will be traveling through the Sierra on Tuesday morning. We may have chain controls. I know it's mid-April. You don't think about that, but we could have chain controls on Tuesday morning, probably clearing by the afternoon or evening, I would think. And then the threat of frost first thing on Wednesday morning. And then keep your fingers crossed. Right now, it looks as though next weekend might turn out to be quite nice. So that's an overview for you for the week ahead. I hope you've had a great weekend and look forward to this week coming up. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. I'll have the next update first thing on Monday morning. Have a great night.